Welcome everyone to Gamer Melt. Today, the RTX 3070 Ti reviews have dropped. A new cryptocurrency is screwing over gamers even more. AMD announced 2 new GPUs, and AMD is officially doing it. Okay, it's news time, and first up for today, as the leaks originally said, reviews have dropped for Nvidia's RTX 3070 Ti. And it's pretty meh. If anything, it shows just how bad the market still is right now. During the 20 series, we got more powerful GPUs for less with the super cards. Now we're getting more powerful cards for more. And really, according to Tom's Hardware's 13 game average at 4K, the 3070 Ti is 11.5% faster than the 3070, yet it's 20% more expensive. In fact, it's a worse value than the 3080, which is 19.3% faster than the 3070 Ti, yet only 16.7% more expensive. Of course, all of this ignores the fact of the market right now. Prices are far higher than MSRP, and who knows when they'll return. Basically, if you get a chance to buy the 3070 Ti at MSRP and can afford it, you probably want to take it. It's certainly a better value than the 3080 Ti, though keep in mind that it's still not that great. Either way, I'll have affiliate links in the description for when those release. It helps the channel out and doesn't cost you anything more, to which I would expect the release at 9 AM Eastern Time. I wish everyone luck who's trying to pick one up. But first, if you're a hardware enthusiast who loves talking PC hardware, or you just have a question about a build, join the GamerMeld Discord server at discord.gg/gamermeld. And this month's Rig of the Month competition is live with the theme Budget Builds, so submit your build today. Once again, that's discord.gg/gamermeld. Next up for today, it looks like miners have found a brand new way to screw over gamers. For those who didn't see my video on it, I recently discussed a new cryptocurrency called Chia. What's special about it is that you mine the coin using storage instead of GPUs or other high-performance processors. And at the time, miners were already buying up tons of storage, so I was afraid it would make storage prices rise. And I believe it has, but there's a new way that this hurts the average user. In a recent report, the company PNY reduced the endurance on the terabytes written for their XLR8 CS3030 drives by as much as 80%, and this also affects their warranty. Well, in an official statement from PNY, they're blaming it on the demand from Chia as well as the shortages. And they further elaborated by stating that consumer-grade hardware isn't made for the intense writing from the likes of Chia. Apparently, it can kill a drive in just weeks. Now, this could be that PNY is having to use a different type of NAND or had to change the controller due to shortages and high demand. Or it wasn't changed and the parts are simply failing much faster due to the strain from Chia. I will say that it seems like PNY doesn't list what NAND they use anymore, so it could be a change there or possibly both. At the end of the day, Chia seems to be a big factor in this move. Luckily, if you purchased a drive before May 17th, the old warranty applies. Otherwise, I would probably avoid these drives at least for now. Then again, other companies could easily follow suit. Time, as always, will tell. Next up, AMD's Something Big event officially happened, and it was about exactly what we thought. The company launched 2 new GPUs, the Radeon Pro W6800 and W6600. As for the specs, the W6600 comes with 1792 stream processors, 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM, and up to 10.4 teraflops of FP32 compute. The W6800 gets 3840 cores, a whopping 32GB of GDDR6, and up to 17.83 teraflops of FP32. When it comes to price, the W6600 comes in at $649 and the W6800 will cost you a whopping $2,249. When it comes to performance, things are looking a bit mixed. AMD's new W6800 is certainly far better than their last-gen W5700, but that's to be expected. They then compared to last generation's Quadro RTX 5000. Of course, the A6000 is far more expensive, but there's the new A5000. With that said, AMD may not have gotten a chance to test it out, but remember that the Quadro RTX 5000 is based on the Turing architecture, so it's not exactly a fair fight. At the end of the day, I think we'll have to wait and see how it compares to Nvidia's newest offerings. And lastly for today, if you've been following the channel, you know that we've been seeing leaks that suggest AMD's next-gen MI200 is set to come with a multi-chip module design. And for those who don't know, an MCM is a big deal for GPUs because it allows them to easily scale up while maintaining a great yield rate, similar to what AMD did with their Zen architecture. Either way, today we have confirmation that AMD is in fact moving to an MCM with their CDNA 2 architecture. In a new Linux kernel update, AMD's developers state, quote, "On Aldebaran, only primary die fetches valid power data. Show power energy values at 0 on secondary die. Also, power limit should not be set through secondary die." For those who may not know, Aldebaran is the leaked codename for AMD's MI200. And of course, even if the leaks are wrong on the exact GPU, it's certainly an upcoming architecture for some kind of AMD GPU. Regardless, as you can see, it specifically mentions a primary and secondary die, which confirms that AMD is in fact moving to an MCM design. And if the rumors are right, we can likely expect an MCM approach on their gaming GPUs eventually as well. Let's just say, I'm excited. So while that does it for today, are you excited for multi-chip module GPUs from AMD, or are you just sick of the GPU market at this point? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day!